Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, 3D homework was there, you would have completed it. So, first I will give you concepts of other two exercise. Srinidhi, you have done 3E also, right?
Yes, sir.
So even I did 3.
3F, okay. You will have to wait for around 5-7 minutes and then I will
Yes.
jump to
Okay,
that
sir.
exercise for everyone. Okay.
Okay.
So, others. So, sorry, not question. This is the statement cube. Everyone can multiply this, right? This cube means x plus y plus x plus y, x plus y into x plus y into x plus y. You will get the value as a cube. Achha, this is the exercise which we are going to do, right? X plus x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3y xy square. Correct? This is formula for x plus y the whole cube. And next one is x minus y the whole cube. The formula is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Correct? Please write these two formulas. And you can, by multiplying, you can derive this as well. Please write it. Then I will do the question based on this.
So what do you told that by multiplying we can divide, sir? No answer. Yeah, we can divide it.
Vidyut,
Sir, I do not hear properly, sir.
Vidyut,
Yeah.
when you ask, before asking question to me, first you ask question to yourself. If you will get answer, that question is done. If not, then only you ask me. Okay. So please write this. Hope you have written. The question is very basic question. 4a plus 5b the whole cube. You have to expand. Yesterday you did a plus b plus c the whole square. Same way you have to do it. Here a is what? 4a. B is what? 5b. So putting this in this formula, can we write it as 4a cube plus 5b cube plus 3 into 4a square 5b plus 3 into 4a 5b square. 5b square. That is my correct. So it will be 64 a cube plus 125 b cube plus 4 4 is a 16, 16 5 is a 80, 80 to the 240 a square b plus 5 5 is a 25, 25 into 400, 100 into 3, 300 ab square. Correct? This is one type of question. Similarly for minus also you can put like that. Let's suppose the question is 3a minus 2b the whole cube. So a here it will be 3b a and b will be what? What will be b the Ritvi?
Sir, 2B.
2b. Okay. So and then you can replace here and find the value. Now question will be question comes as 2x minus 5y minus 2x plus 5y the whole cube. So how can we write it? Same way, this will be a, this will be b, and then a minus b the whole cube. You have to expand it, and then this one. So we can write this. I'll write it. For making, I mean, chances of making mistakes will be less if you do it separately. So 2 cube a cube minus b cube, then a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. If you do like this, you will get some value. Similarly, you do like for this, you will get value, and then you subtract it. Okay, so we'll get the value. I'll tell you what will be the value. So 8x cube minus 125y cube minus 1030 x square y 5 to 30 x y square. You got this one. Now second one, this you will do. A
So minus
cube
60x square y, sir.
5 to the 10, 10 into 3, 30.
The
5
square.
to the 10. Oh, yeah, sorry. 2 to the 4, 5 4 the 20, 20 to the 60. Thank you. Here it will be 5 5 is 25, 25 into 10, 50, 50 into 3, 150 x y square. Correct? Now
So
this,
instead of 125 y cube, you wrote 12 y cube.
okay, good. So this here a cube plus b cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square. So 8x cube plus 125 y cube plus 4 5 4 60 x square y plus 150 x y square. So you got 2. This is first and this is second. Now what you have to do is you have to subtract it. So we can write it 8x cube minus 125 y cube minus 60 x square y plus 150 x y square. Now this is sign, negative sign. So all the sign will change. Now you have to see the like terms. 8x x cube, which all are x cube. Yeah, here it is. So gone. Y cube. Where is y cube? Here it is y cube. So can we write it as minus 250 y cube minus 250 y cube. So this we have taken. Now x square y. Here is x square y. Here is x square y. Minus minus, so minus 120 x square y. Now xy square. Xy square. This and this gone. So answer is this one. Got it? Is it clear? Any doubt?
So how can we derive this formula?
Who is this?
Sir, me, Ritvi, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I wanted to ask x plus y whole cube. Was a bit confused.
Well, what is the confusion? Tell me.
Sir, how do we get like 3x square y at 3x y square? That's all.
2 into 2 cube is what? 2 cube is what?
So do we have to solve this?
Wait. I'm solving this one and then you have to solve everything. Prithvi? 2
Yes, sir.
cube is what?
8.
What you did?
Sir, 2, 3 types.
2, 3 times.
Yes, sir.
Means what? 2, 3 times means what?
Sir, 2 into 2 into 2. Like
You
that.
did. So a plus
Yes,
b the whole cube, what you will do?
Sir, a cube plus
I
b
said
cube.
a plus b the whole cube. What you will do for this?
Sir, a plus b into a plus b into a plus b.
You do it, you'll get that value. Okay,
sir.
after the class you do. Okay. Yesterday I did it, na? A plus b plus c the whole square. 2 times I multiplied. How I multiplied?
Yes,
Did you follow that one?
Yes, sir.
Same way you have to do here.
Okay,
Same
sir.
way. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the equation, and now you have to find AB. So I put it to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Is it equals to this? 4 3 12, 12a square b, yes. Is it equals to this? 3 to the 6 a b square, yes. So what will it be? 2a plus b the whole cube. Correct? This is in the form of a cube plus
Yes,
b
sir.
cube plus 3a square
sir.
b plus 3ab square. We can write it 2a plus b the whole cube. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So on
Yes,
this
sir.
formula, 3e, that 10 question is based on this. Okay. So you have written one formula. Now, next formula. This belongs to another next exercise 3f. Okay, these all are formula based, very easy factorization, formula based. You'll get little different. So a cube plus a cube x cube plus y cube is equals to x cube plus y cube, we can write it. X square minus xy plus y square. Do you have to remember this? How? Vaibhavi and others, Deepika and Srinidhi, are you seeing this?
Yes, sir.
Now see. Let's see. I have also not derived. Let's derive it. So how we can write x minus x square y plus x square y plus xy square minus xy square. What is left out? Got it? Any
Yes,
doubt?
No, sir.
Anybody else?
Not clear.
What is not clear?
The derivation.
I multiplied these two.
Yes.
This into this I multiplied. Vaibhavi,
Yes, sir.
where is the confusion? I
multiply?
So that to show you that this is equals to x cube plus y cube. This derivation, nothing will, I mean, no exam, no school's exam, nothing, nobody will ask you this derivation. This is just for your understanding. I teach you in every class.
Okay.
Okay, nobody will ask you, prove this is equals to this. No, nobody will ask you. But in the time when if you get confused what is the formula, then you immediately can see after multiplying it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm having a doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, sir, anytime these type of problems come, we just have to substitute the values and find it, yeah? And we have to multiply, right? Like,
I didn't get it with you.
sir, suppose like x is 2a, x is 2a and y is 3b. X is 2a
That
and
is Vidyut one type of question.
yeah.
Did you ask in class 1 that ma'am only 2 plus 2 will come whole life?
No,
We
no.
have to read 4. This is, you are starting, this is ABC for you. The toughness will keep increasing. How can you ask this question? Okay, only this type of question will come, that we have to put the value. It is just to make you understand the formula and how you can do it. The class 12th it will be tough, class 11th will be tough, class 10th will be tough. Now 2 plus 2, do you any school ask 2 plus 2 is what?
No.
No? Vidyut, answer, acknowledge what I'm telling.
Yes, sir. So they don't ask.
So that's
No.
why this is ABC of this formula.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
In the first formula, x cube plus y cube. So why is it in when both of them are positive? Why is it minus xy?
This is what I showed you, na?
Yeah.
I multiplied this to show you that this is x cube plus y cube.
Yes.
And similarly,
Sir.
if you multiply these two, you will get x cube minus y cube.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, no, sir, I got my doubt. Sorry.
You also, before asking question, you ask yourself. If you will get answer, then that question will be avoided, isn't it?
So,
Tell me,
so
Srinidhi.
for x cube plus y cube, it's x plus y into x square minus
x
y
y plus y square.
But
And
for x cube minus y cube, it will be x minus y into.
Yes. And if you say ki why it is so, you multiply these two, you'll see, you'll find this value.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So based on this, you have few questions. I will do that way, and then question is x by 2 plus 2y x square by 4 xy plus 4y square. So what is the A, what is B here? It is fitting in any formula? Which formula it is fitting? Yes. Kaushal? Which formula?
Sir,
Be
it's
here?
first one.
First one, nahi, tell me the solution now. What I have to write? Yeah, tell me, Kaushal.
Sir, it will be
Shouldn't
by
it be
2.
2xy?
Wait, Srinidhi. Let him answer. Yes.
Sir, you can, where there's 4, sir, you can root it to 2. It will become 2 square.
Kaushal, A cube plus B cube is what? Open your camera. Yes, tell me. A cube plus B cube is what?
Sir,
A cube plus A plus B the whole cube. A cube plus B cube is what is the formula? See on the screen. A cube plus B cube.
Sir, I don't understand.
A cube plus B cube is equals to. See in the notebook and tell me. See in your notebook and tell me.
Sir, A cube plus
A cube plus B cube is what?
So can you write it, sir?
You have not written.
So what are you saying? I'm not understanding.
What I am saying, you are not able to understand. You were there in the class or not?
I was there.
So what I have written, what is the formula I have written for AQ plus BQ? So you have not written. Tell me yes or no. I'll go ahead.
So no, sir.
No written, not written. Very good. Mute your mic. No, I mean camera also. You off your camera. Yes, Shindy, you were telling something.
Sir, this won't satisfy the AQ plus BQ formula because it's minus XY. It should be minus 2.
Go open your camera. Yes, AQ plus BQ is what?
A plus B into A square minus 2AB plus B square.
Srinidhi, for the very first time, I'm telling you, you have to write 25 times this. It is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square, not 2AB. So you have given this time for the very first time in last these many months, you have given me a chance to ask you write this formula and you have to send me today.
Yes, sir.
And you will always remember this formula. In fact, you would write both AQ plus BQ and AQ minus BQ and send it to me today. Got it? Is it satisfying now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So in this question, guys, A plus B, I'll write it again here. AQ plus BQ is A plus B, A square minus AB, not 2AB, minus AB plus B square. So is this equation satisfying it? Yes. If I say A is equals to X by 2 and B is equals to 2Y, so we can we write it like this is A plus B and this is A square. We will write it like X plus 2, X by 2 plus 2Y into X by 2 minus X by 2 into 2Y plus 2Y the whole square. So we can write it at X by 2 Q plus 2Y Q. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
One more question I will solve. Or you solve this question. Very easy question. I'm putting it. 1 plus 64 x cube. Quick answer. Raise it. Very easy question. Yes. First hand from Deepika. Yes, tell me, Deepika, your answer.
So 1 plus 4x, 1 cube plus 4x cube.
1 cube plus 4x cube. This is the final factorization.
No, sir. 1 minute.
1 minute gone. Acha, now this time I'll put penalty also. Yes, Bhavi.
So 1 plus 8x.
Wrong. Srinidhi.
No, there's more.
Wrong. Chale, Srinidhi.
So 1 plus 4x into 1 plus 8x plus 16x square.
Wrong, Srinidhi. This is plus.
Sorry, sir.
Gone,
4x.
gone,
4x.
gone. No, not even 4x is correct, but yes, Nidhi. Quick.
1 plus 4x into minus 4x plus 16x square.
Very good. This is the right answer. So Nidhi got this time. So I'll solve it. Yes, Nidhi, help me. How you did?
It's x plus y. So
how I have to write it? Can we write like this?
yeah, plus 4x the whole cube.
So 1 plus 4x
And
into 1 minus 4x plus 16x square. Next question. A very quick answer. Others, any doubt in this question, solution? Anyone has? Next question. 27x³ plus 125y³. First quick answer. Srinidhi.
So 3x plus 5y into 9x square plus 15xy plus 25y.
Srinidhi, I think this has become a jing for you. You are writing always plus, plus, plus. Why plus, Srinidhi? This is minus. You come out of that a plus b whole square formula.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Ayush. Yes, Ayush.
3x plus 5y, then 9x minus 5, 15xy plus 25y square.
Come again.
So 3x
Your voice is not audible, Ayush.
5y.
Okay, then.
Sir, 3x plus 5y, then 9x minus 15xy plus 25y
Wrong.
square.
Wrong. Tarun.
Sir, I got as 3x minus bracket 3x minus 5y, then again
Wrong.
bracket 9x square.
Wrong. This time, Lohit.
So 3x plus 5y into 9x square minus 15xy plus 25y square.
Plus?
25y square.
Very good. That's the correct answer. Yes, explain to class, whole class.
So first you can write 27x cube as 3x whole cube.
Okay.
And then, plus 125y cube can be also written as 5y whole cube. And with the formula you can write it as 3x plus 5y. And then 9x square minus 15xy plus 25y square.
Okay. Next question. X plus 1 the whole cube minus. Yes. Raise your hand once done. Vaibhavi, Vidyut. Okay. Ayush. Okay. Yes, Vidyut, your answer?
So 2 plus 6x square.
Wrong. This time, Vidyut. Ayush, what's your answer?
2x cube plus 4x.
2x cube plus
4x.
Wrong. Then Deepika.
So 1 plus 6x square.
1 plus 6 square. Wrong. Vaibhavi.
6x.
Wrong. Srinidhi,
8x square.
which question I have given here? This is correct. Why you guys are making mistake? Question is correctly written. Yes. So, sorry guys, this is plus. Can you do it again, please? I'm sorry about that.
Okay.
The first hand is from Navika. Yes, Navika.
Sir, is the answer 2x cube plus 6x?
2x cube plus 6x.
Yes, sir.
Deepika, what's your answer?
2x cube plus 6x.
Ravi, what's your answer?
Sir, same as Navika.
So this is the right answer. So Navika will explain this question. Yes, Navika.
Yes, sir. X plus 1, the whole cube can be written as x cube plus 1 cube.
Take me just hold on a second. X
Yes, sir.
cube plus 1 cube.
Yes, sir.
X plus 1 x cube plus 1 cube. Okay.
Plus 3x cube.
3x cube.
Yes. No, sir.
3x
Sorry, square. 3x square
square. Okay.
plus 3x.
Plus
3x.
3x.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. And then x minus 1,
Huh.
the it can be written as x cube minus 1
Hmm.
minus 3x
Hmm.
square
Hmm.
plus 3x.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled.
So 2x cube plus 6x. But most of you have left the last step, that is x is common. Understood?
We can
Other,
take 2x common, right?
okay, sorry, yes. 3x, not 2x, sorry, 2x common. 2 to left out the x square plus 3 to 6x, yes. X square plus 3. Okay? Now next question. Everyone understood this part? Anyone has any doubt in this solution? No. Now take yes. Do it. Deepika, okay. Wait. Let others also come. Few more hands. Vaibhavi, Shivaji. Others? Vidyut. 4. Okay. Yes, Deepika, what's your answer?
A minus 2 root 2b.
A minus 2 root 2b. Achha.
A square
Hmm.
plus 2 root 2ab
2 root 2ab
plus 8b square.
plus 8b square. Some mess up you have done. Vaibhavi,
A minus 2 under root 2b,
Yeah.
a square plus 2a under root 2b minus 8b square.
So,
Nidhi.
So can I?
Take me. I'll come by one by one. I still have not got the answer, right answer. So let me come. Lohit, you have not raised your hand, but
sir, I have a doubt.
okay, you have a doubt. I'll take your doubt. Wait.
Yes, sir.
Let me finalize this question. Nidhi,
Yeah, a minus 2 under root 2b into a square plus 2 under root 2ab minus 8b square.
Nitin,
A minus under root 2b a square plus under root 2ab plus 2b square
plus what?
plus 2b square.
Okay, this is the right answer. This is the right answer. Okay. Yes, Lohit, what was your?
So the
doubt?
cube is above the cube is just above the b, right? It's not above
Yeah.
like.
Yeah, it's
not
above B. Yeah, it's above B.
Okay, it's not whole, right?
No, it's not whole. Whole though I would have kept in
Yeah,
bracket.
okay,
Inside bracket. Yes, Nitin, come online.
Yes,
Open
sir.
your camera. Yeah. Tell me how to solve.
So we can write 2 root 2 as 2 under root 2 into under root 2 into under root 2.
Hey, come again.
So we can write it as a cube minus 2 under root 2. No, 2 under root 2.
Under root 2.
Under root 2.
Under root 2.
B.
Whole
cube.
Okay.
So now the formula is like x cube minus y cubes is equal to x minus y x square plus xy plus y square. So we can write it
Come
as
again. What is the formula?
x minus y x square plus y xy plus y square.
Tell me now.
So we can write it as a minus root 2b.
Okay.
In brackets and then a square.
A square. Okay. A square.
Plus a into
under root 2ab, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Plus 2b square.
2b square. Okay. Now.
That's the formula. I mean, that's the answer.
That's the answer. Okay. Others? Anyone has any other answer?
Sir.
Yes, tell me, sir.
Sir, a minus 2 under root 2b into a square plus 2 under root 2ab minus 2 under root 2b square.
This is.
I got little.
This is the answer. Acha,
I
Deepika
got
and all, where you were getting 2 under root 2? How? How you got 2 under root 2?
The only b cube, that's why I thought we.
No, come again. B cube only.
So I thought only we should find the root of b. I didn't know that we should under root.
What
2.
you are telling, Deepika? What you are telling? I didn't know. This is the question.
Yes, sir.
You have to put it in cube. You also did. Vaibhavi also did. What was your Vaibhavi? What was your mistake?
Sir, I took it as whole cube. 2 under root 2 whole
Yeah,
cube.
by your own, you can reframe the question.
No.
You can reframe yourself. Srinidhi, what was your answer?
So I got this answer only, but then I like further multiplied it. I multiplied a into a square.
Okay, anyway, did you get, everyone understood?
I got this, then again I showed a cube minus 2 root b cube.
Did you understand why under root 2
Yes, sir.
be the whole cube? Because you write it
Root
as
2 into root 2 into root 2b.
is equals to root 2 into root 2 is 2, root 2 b cube. You got this one. Understood? Others? Now, one question. Let's see how many of you apply your brain in this question. It's very easy question, but little tricky. Only one trick, and then you will be able to solve. Two a to the power 7, not 2. Okay, a to the power 7 minus 128a.
Sir, I didn't understand how did you get under root 2b?
Under root 2b, yeah, here I have explained. Under root 2b means what? Under root 2b into under root 2b into under root 2b. Under root 2 into under root 2 is 2 into under root 2, 2 under root 2, b into b is b cube. Understood?
Sir.
Yes, Vidyut Srinidhi has done. Okay. Let
So I'm
me.
not sure about the.
Then to 0. If it is not correct, then 0 you'll get. Tell me your answer.
So mine.
2a.
2a a square minus 64.
Okay, got it. Vidyut, not correct. You will try again. Yes, Srinidhi, what's your answer?
Sir, am I close? Am I close?
Third umpire, it will go to third umpire. It's not even close. Vidyut, Srinidhi.
2a into a plus 2 into a minus 2 into a to the power 4 plus 4a square plus 16.
You last time, why didn't you factorize? You factorize that also.
Okay, sir.
Vaibhavi?
Sir, same answer.
Arinja?
No, sir, I have a doubt. Is the last term like minus 128a or 129?
128. 128.
A.
128a.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Still, the right answer is awaited. Yes, Nitin?
2a square minus 4 a to the power 4 plus 4a square plus 16.
You have to further factorize it. Once factorization is done, then raise your hand. Yes, Deepika.
2a
Hmm.
a plus 2
Hmm.
a square minus 2a plus 4,
Hmm.
a minus 2,
Hmm.
a square plus 2a plus 4.
Yes, perfect. Yes, come online.
Yes.
Others, listen here. How she is solving.
So we can take 2a common.
Okay, I'll take 2a common. So,
A to the power 6 minus 64.
okay, now
2a,
2a
a to the power 3 whole square
whole square,
minus 8 square.
8 square. Okay,
2a,
2a,
a cube plus 8,
hmm,
a cube minus 8.
okay, now
2a,
hmm,
a cube plus 2 cube.
a cube. Come on, Deepika.
A cube plus 2 cube.
A cube.
A cube plus 2 cube and a cube minus 2 cube.
Okay, I thought you said 8. Wait. Hmm. So 2a, a cube plus 2 cube into a cube minus 2 cube. Okay, now
So 2a,
2a,
a
okay,
plus 2,
2a. So this is a cube plus b cube form. So a plus 2 into
yes, a square minus 2a plus 4.
minus 2a plus 4.
Plus
And this
4.
and this is a
And
minus
a
2,
minus 2,
a square plus
a square plus 2a plus 4.
correct. That's correct. Good. Others, any doubt anyone has in this question?
So can you give one more of this type of hard questions?
You will get
Not
full
able to do it.
full exercise with it. Don't worry. You'll get full exercise. A cube plus b cube plus a plus b. Tarun, what happened to you?
Sir, like I'm struggling.
You are?
Sir, struggling a bit in this one, need practicing.
So that's what today you have to do it. Okay. But as of now, see, you have play chess, right?
So, like alternate days.
Alternate days. Then you play chess. You have to see everything. What all combinations the opponent is making.
Yes.
That's what here also. All the things you know. Middle term splitting, common, grouping, formulas. You have to see what is going to fit in this question.
Yes, sir.
Acha, don't see so many hands. Okay. Ayush, your answer.
Sir, answer is a plus b
Then a square minus ab plus b square plus 1.
Absolutely correct. Yes, Ayush. Tell me.
So first you need to factorize a cube plus b cube.
Okay.
It's a plus b, a square minus a plus
A
ab
plus,
plus b.
just hold on a second. A square
A square minus ab.
Yes, okay.
Plus b square.
Okay.
And then outside the bracket a plus b.
Okay. Now.
So you can take a plus b as common.
Okay.
And 1 will be left, plus 1.
Absolutely correct. This is the answer. Got it, others?
Sir, can you please repeat the last step, sir?
Last step, a plus b has taken common.
Yeah.
So a plus b is taken common. What is left out? This one plus 1, since a plus b has taken common, 1 is left out.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So tomorrow, by tomorrow, till 3F, everything should be over. And you have to somehow manage to do it by yourself. That should be your target. That I will do it. Okay. Then the last exercise, which is little tricky. Until it's not, these fundamentals are not clear, last exercise you will struggle a lot. So I want you till F, 3F, everything should be clear. Everything is everything.
Sir.
Let me finish with it. You don't always come in between. So you know grouping, you know middle term splitting, you know a square minus b square, you know a cube plus b cube, you know a plus b plus cb whole square. Everything should be in your mind. All the types of questions should be in your mind. It's not like 3F may a 3 may a plus b plus c the whole square is given. So that question only you can in that way. You can do it in that way. No. Now you have to apply each and every concept to solve your problem. And 3G, that means last exercise, 3G only. Yes, 3G. Until unless these fundamentals are not clear, you will struggle a lot and you will cry in last exercise. So make sure that you are doing by yourself. Waste paper in solving it, but solve it. Don't say, okay, first time couldn't do. Sir, so hey, sir, I will ask sir. Sir to can give you all the solutions. But it's more important for you to solve by yourself. So try until you don't get the answer, correct answer. Yes, Vidyut, now tell me.
Sir, I got all the concepts except this one, sir. Like this one, I'm having lot of problems with.
So you practice, and that's why today we have done it. Now you do practice those questions. Okay, then it will be clear. Until as you don't practice, it will not be clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and one more thing, you have science class, and at 4 o'clock you have test 4 to 5. Hope everyone, anyway, let me introduce. Hope you have login either in app or on web. I'm talking about science students. And I mean, you can see once you will go on app, you have to click exam tab, the question paper. You will find the question paper right after 4 o'clock. Before 4 o'clock, it won't open. After 4 o'clock, it will open. Okay. And in web, those who are logging through web, again, you have to go exam, click, and then you can start taking. Second most important thing for the exam. Don't refresh and don't switch off or switch on. Once one take is gone, the system will reject your second attempt. Okay, it's a one take exam. Don't refresh or don't switch off your mobile and then I will log in again. No, it won't. It's an exam. You will take one take and you have to write it and then you have to submit it. Then you'll get your result.
Sir, you didn't give me login and password.
I have sent it, Nachiket.
Sir, we'll get result immediately.
Yes, you'll get result immediately. Once you will submit, your marks will be on screen. And once the exam is over, you'll get your rank also.
Okay, sir. One last thing. Should we log in into the science class, and should we you people, sir, will you be seeing us while we will be attempting the exam?
Yes, I can see everything. Who has attempted? All stats will be with me.
Okay, sir. So we should log in using Science ID, and we have to do the
Science
exam.
ID. There is no Science ID. That is the ID, your app ID or website ID. That will
Okay,
have
so-
science, maths, both. In future, you will have maths exam also that way.
So if we click on exam, so you will be able to see us at that time.
Once you will log in, once you start your exam, I can see that you have started your exam.
Okay.
Okay. One more thing. Its exam is of 40 minutes. Once you have started exam and you are in the and you have not submitted, and once the 40 minutes is over, it will automatically get submitted. It's not like if you have not submitted, you will get extra time. No. The system will automatically submit after 40 minutes. So any question you have not done, it will show unattempted.
Sir, how many questions are there, sir?
That ma'am will give. Don't worry. 30 questions, I guess. But you'll get
So
once you will start exam, you'll get number of questions. How many questions are there?
So 30 marks only.
That ma'am will tell 30 marks are there. You have to score 100 full marks. That's your objective.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
So what app is it?
Pardon?
So what app is it?
Yes, tab also you can do it. Yes, tell me next.
Sir, do we have to take in there only, or should we send pics through Cap Scanner or something?
No, Ritvi, it is an online exam. You have to do it. You have to submit. Once you submit, you will get your marks. You'll get the solution, which question you did wrong, which question you did right, what was the wrong questions, correct answer. Everything will be there once you will submit. Okay, you don't have to send anything to us.
Should we have to tell our marks the next class?
I'll get it, Ashish.
Okay,
I'll get it. And your parents will get on your mail also, their mail.
Okay. Okay. So
Parents
we have
will
to. So we'll get our rank instantly, right?
Instantly after once everyone has done in the evening or so, somewhere around 6-7 o'clock you will get your ranks.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in this 1F, sir, there's this question. Prove that this number is equal to this number, sir. That one.
1F.
Yeah, 3F, sorry, 3F. That last two questions, sir.
Okay, you do it now. I'll take it later. 1F. Prove it. 3F, na? You prove it. Okay. Now, ma'am will come. Will take your class. Any doubt? Any regarding exam?
Sir, we should.
Yes. Tell me.